What's up, y'all? It's we. Hey, we about to start busting the Chevelle down. Not as far as body, but as far as interior. So I'm gonna get done everything that I can get done as far as interior without having it in the way. And that C10 just left, so this it can go in for a little bit. I don't know how long. Got some starter fluid on it. Pretty sure it's gonna crank right up like it always do. I want to put it on the lift. Look how much fuel we got. When I put that fuel in there in Kansas. Let's start it. Give me a second. Alright, it started. Letting it warm up for a little bit. Because anytime this car don't run for a minute, I hit the gas, it's gonna bog down. I blew all these cars off. I need to, hey, if anybody know a fast way to clean up all this pine straw, let me know. That stuff flammable and I don't want something to drop and start a fire. And this stuff is really mostly on where my car's at and I don't want that. Ready, minus the back seats being taken out. Ready to start the rear deck. This stuff is hard as ever. I'm gonna unscrew these speakers and see what we got. So y'all, we back with the veil. Man, she said, don't do nothing without me, right?
Yes, and he still did something.
I only took the damn window out.
He took the window out, the trim off, the speakers out, and the back deck. How was that an only?
Because I was gonna make the shape. She said, no, don't make nothing without me. I like, you can't make the
I said,
shape.
don't do anything without me. Nothing. I don't want anything. I don't even want you touching my car without me being present.
And she's never present for car stuff.
Yes.
Interior busted up. We're gonna get this out today. So we can get it started. Door panels, rear panels, the rear corner panels, the headliner, rods. Just what the little stuff that we can do. This dash though, I think I'm gonna end up wrapping it top and bottom.
Hold on, how you just gonna say what you wanna do?
What you wanna paint it?
The dash?
Yeah, the bottom. Top get wrapped.
What do you mean the bottom?
Right
just
here.
the underneath?
Yeah, this metal part.
Oh, that doesn't get wrapped?
It's painted right now, but yeah, people wrap it.
Yeah, we're gonna wrap it.
See?
I'm gonna paint it.
Y'all already, for the people who've been watching for a minute, y'all already know the motor and trans setup. It's a 5.3 with a new 4L60E. Put a nice belt kit on it, AC, probably do vintage air. So we're trying to keep it like classic, but still real clean. Real clean. Yeah. Then we're trying to get these shapes so we can have Chevelle, back decks, console, over the seat console. Probably do a back seat console. I don't know. Ain't nobody ever asked for it, so ain't no sense of me really making that.
Over the seat. I'm not sure, but I like the consoles over the seat. I think they look really cute, but I don't know. I'm still deciding.
Yeah, we'll see. But I'm gonna make both shapes so I can have it available for purchase.
Was this originally where this was?
This probably was a dent in it.
Oh, show them how you were on my car.
Oh, she was crying about this, y'all. What's up, Big Steve? This is Big Steve.
Look at what kind of person would do this to someone's car?
Look, the car was already cracking, right?
No, it was already had a couple cracks in it. He literally took his hand and snatched.
I see. Wow, she started crying.
Because why would you do that? If anybody
Look, I told her, she said, don't cut my car up. You gotta be something you could do, like put some stuff on it and make it hard, and yeah, it's gonna fall back apart.
My thing is, anybody who loves their car know, you don't touch somebody else's car. You don't do that to somebody else's car. Like, I don't care if my car was hanging on by a thread. You don't pull that thread. Like, what's wrong with you?
You know, like all this gonna come off right, and they gonna blast it, and we gonna see how bad it is.
I'm not gonna be
Look,
there for that.
Look at this right here. I may show you this. It's rusted out right here. See it?
Yeah. It's making me sad, guys, because she sat for a little longer. She's a little bit more damaged, but
it probably was like this already, though.
She coming back.
Yeah, we definitely gonna put it back in action. Keeping this same seat set up.
Also, I think I decided on my colors last night because he keeps pressuring me.
Yeah, because we got to get it on. We got to get the ball rolling. I'm trying. Probably ain't gonna make it though, but I'm trying to have this done for next summer. I know all the mechanical stuff, sandblast, the frame reinforcement kit. I can do all that mechanical stuff in a month. It's the body work, all the panels, all that stuff on back order, and I'd rather get it started and have the parts ready to come. That way, once everything done, we be putting the bad boy together. But if we wait and shoot and don't get the stuff ordered in time, then shoot, the summer gonna come and we just gonna be looking at the car.
And then I'm gonna be sad again.
And then you're gonna be driving a
So my colors that I chose, should I tell them my colors or no?
Mm-hmm. This the one build they could see the everything on. Everything else I got, y'all ain't seeing nothing. Silver box, y'all ain't seeing. The Landau, y'all ain't seeing, man. Yeah, nah, y'all can't see anything.
Okay, so I was going between black. Well, okay, so I have a Corvette. If you guys don't know, he bought me a Corvette.
I ain't uploaded yet.
Oh well, I have a Corvette, and the Corvette was the inside was already pretty much done. It was already red, so
yeah, it's up there.
I was like, that was my color for this. That was my color for this. I was gonna do red inside, black outside. But I don't want neither of my cars to look the same. I want all of my cars to reflect my different moods. I only got 2 cars right now, but I'm building slowly. So I want all of my cars to have different moods. So I had to scratch the black and red and find something else. And I've been searching for months and months. So I finally decided on the exterior being dark blue like this, but like shiny.
Yeah, like it was originally.
No,
but probably a little darker.
Yeah, I want like navy. This is more turquoise blue.
No, I'm saying original.
But I don't see where the original is. Oh yeah, something of that nature. Yeah. Okay, I didn't see that. I thought you were saying this turquoise is kind of blue. But yeah, so that, but like sucker paint.
Sucker.
Also,
candy paint, she mean, y'all.
Also, I was not trying to go white stripe because I feel like that's so basic. But I feel like the blue with the white stripe is gonna eat. Like I feel like it's just gonna shut some stuff down. And then on the inside, I'm gonna do. Where is it, babe?
Yeah, keep going. Boom.
So it'll be this kind of like, what did you call it? Butterscotch.
Yeah.
I want a shade, one shade darker, just one shade darker.
We're gonna take this book.
You imagine it in your brain. So right. I'm gonna play around with stuff just to see, because we don't know if I'm gonna 100% like everything about it. But if I don't, I want to be able to switch it. Like, you know, the base colors are staying the same, but just the designs, I want to be able to play with the designs and the little bit of spot of coloring that I want to put in there. I'm gonna just play with it and see where it goes. Also, are we keeping these wheels?
Yeah, but we're gonna get some rallies.
Because
I'll show you the rallies with the same tires, but we're gonna get some new tires. So it'll be all full matching. It needs to be a backup.
Also, I do want another mirror. I'm sorry, but I cannot do the no mirror on the side.
Yeah.
I mean, but can I really do anything with this itty bitty mirror anyway? So
yeah, knowing you'll scrape the thing. And
yeah, I know. I'm not gonna be hitting no tight spaces in this, because I ain't built like that. I ain't gonna say my driving is the best now. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. And then, so what do we do with this? Are we buying another one? Can we get this rust off?
It's got some dents right here. So I don't know. I know they make everything for this car, so
also
probably.
I want to change my license plate. I'm gonna
you got it.
because I'm gonna put her name on it.
You gotta register it before we start dumping this bag in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put her name on the license plate because you just gotta know what's called.
You don't even know her name.
I think I'm gonna name her V. V.
That's cool. Then on suspension, we ain't doing nothing crazy. Probably more than likely be a lot of mug parts. You know, everybody do UMI and QA1 and.
But look at how cute she is.
We may upgrade it later.
She's beat up, but can't you just see how cute she is? Like, okay, if you just erase all the rust in your mind.
Boom, in your mind.
Put color on there. Put the blue on there. Put the white stripe on there. Put the peanut butter butterscotch inside. Put the rallies on there. And just imagine how cute she's going to be. Like,
it's going to be a hit.
She's going to be awesome. Like, oh my God, she's going to be so gorgeous. I was thinking about, like, dang, do I want that thing that we be having to come out?
For the motor?
No, it'd be like a thing that people be having to the top, kind of make it like a race car.
A hood scoop. I get tall up here, like.
No.
Hold on, y'all.
Scratch there.
She said scratch the blower. She thought you could press a button and the blower go away and then the hood just close back up. Nah, baby. Once you cut that hood, that's it. And once you put that on that motor, that's it. You going fast. You want the look, but you don't want the speed.
Yeah, I don't want the speed. I just want it because it just looks cute. And then like my pipes back here, what we gonna do? Like, is we gonna do something fancy or we?
Nah.
I kind of want to do something fancy.
Whoa. Okay.
I don't want that noise though. I just want it to look cute. I don't want any of the effects of this stuff. I just want the aesthetic of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want something super loud because I think it's annoying, and I just don't have the ear for that. But I would like something kind of back there because I think it'll make me look like real, you know, like, oh, who is that? And then
Yeah,
a girl pull up and it's
1990s.
like, yeah.
That ain't even no more.
I think I'm a guy, and I think that'll be cool because people don't be thinking women can come hard. Like, baby, we can. We just, you know, they don't be giving women enough credit.
So yeah, we gonna get in this bad boy tonight. Get to busting it down, get to making some of these shapes, measurements, and all that stuff. But we got somewhere to be right now, so we gonna put this.
Also, I'm gonna get a custom steering wheel. It's gonna be so cute.
Yeah, cause that one got cracks. Like, man.
Yeah, like how do steering wheel get cracks? I just
The
don't
heat and cold in this old. Yeah.
Oh, my seats are gonna be so gorgeous. I can see it.
Yeah, let's get this bad boy started. We're gonna cut y'all back on though once we start getting the interior out.
Is this mirror open?
Yeah.
Wow. So cool.
I showed you that before.
No, I didn't know that.
Look.
Oh, I'm A1, y'all.
And then the wind be like blowing it in the car.
I'm A1. I'm gonna be riding around. When y'all see me, honk your horn. You see me pull up, honk your horn. Let me know y'all see me, okay?
Why you make all that noise?
Really excited.
Hmm?
Also, no keys is going in my car. So.
Yeah, she said can't put no car seats in here.
I don't want anybody in my car but me. Steven can't even drive my car. I don't want him driving.
Hey, I said, so how I supposed to test it out? Somebody call me.
That.
How, Sway?
You tell me what you want me to do and I'll do it. And I'll tell you what I feel. I don't want nobody behind the wheel but me. Nobody in the car but me. That's it. He's stingy with his donk, so...
Yeah, she crashed all my cars.
No, I don't.
And he's talking about, can I drive the
I'm
don't?
seeing stuff
Exactly,
sometimes.
so don't see him, I don't.
He crashed all his cars too. What the hell?
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, that's why I don't want you riding around.
But I'm the one that's doing all the, how I can't test certain stuff.
That's not my problem.
But yeah, the best thing about this car, man, is everything is able to be purchased. Because like if you buy a don't.
No, seriously, I was wondering if we were going to have trouble finding parts for this car. Because this one is more rare than that, is it not?
Yeah, no.
The donk is more rare than this?
They make every piece for this car. They don't make nothing for these cars. So people buy these cars and sell the pieces. Because it wasn't a popular car at the time. It's
Why are
now
you going to
a
sit by
popular
and
car.
sell these pieces? Because what is it sitting here for? You already have a donk.
That's why I said when you ain't want to record, I was like, I'm finna just go work on my car.
Why do you have two donks is what I'm asking.
I'm trying it's a test. I'm trying to see if I can do something.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to do it. But yeah, I'm going to put this motor trans on. for the perfect time to do what we do. Everybody be in a rush and all that. But anyway, good news. Oh my God. Look at this floor. For y'all who don't understand CG. That thing clean. It's just like I looked at on the trailer. This got some brown. Not sure if it's rust yet, but it's gonna get sandblasted. I gotta replace this piece because I ain't know you had to take this off, take seats out. Never took one of these apart, so I don't know too much about it. But the other side didn't break. Taped where the screws go, and the seats for the screws for the seat. Put them back in. Like I said, I don't know where all this stuff goes, so
we can we're gonna rip the whole carpet up because I don't want this carpet, right?
Yeah, we put new carpet in. I'm gonna get it ordered. I hope it's these floors clean up here too, like they appear to be. Yeah, we be alright. The floor clean. How the hell your floor clean than mine? You know I had rust on the floor in that white one? Before I got it painted, I fixed it. I got it on video though.
But she's unique on me.
That's crazy. How this floor clean? But the trunk busted up. Houseway. How? You can still see the paint on the floor. I just knew it needed a floor, but it don't. It needed a trunk.
But that's good that it doesn't need a floor, right?
Yeah, that's amen good. Yes, sir. Yes.
Because that's less money, right?
There's money in time. So you better order a trunk. And
how do you replace a trunk? I'm so confused. What?
what you just said?
I had a speaker back here.
Yeah, let me get that.
I'm gonna sell
50.
it. $50? That's it?
It's a kicker, a comp too. Kicker comp.
I forget that speakers not really don't get it. No, you can't have it though. You never know. I might get it one day.
One day, you ain't putting this back in here.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Yeah, that's all on, you know.
Oh, it's an amp right here too.
An amp attached to the boy.
Cool.
I'm running out of storage on my phone, so this is all we got for right now. Like I said, we're gonna get the window pulled, and we're gonna start pulling panels off a little at a time. But the main priority right now is to see what we need to order, so we won't have to be waiting months for stuff that's on back order. I got a feeling now that this gonna have to stay in here because the turbo will be, the motor and trans will be dropped in. I think I'll get that car running within the next 10 days once I put the motor and trans in, running with a turbo on it. So that can go out, and then this can take its place while I still run and separate the two. Like I said, it's got a 5.3, brand new trans, and then shoot, get a bust down, get the cross member kit put on, and start the frame. Like, get this boy rolling.